Hi, I'm Richard Simonello, and I'd like to give you an introduction to my CEDAR poster. So we have the title up here. It's The Pursuit of Atmospheric Column ODA2 Measurements from EUV to airglow, which is a mouthful. So let's kind of just break that down. This is a project affiliated with the NASA Icon spacecraft, and we have Icon sitting down here in this nice artistic rendition. So Icon has all of these instruments on it, but we really just want to look at two, and they're both detecting ultraviolet airglow. So UV radiation being given off by particles in the atmosphere. So one of which, in the purple, we have the EUV instrument field of view, the extreme ultraviolet, and then yellow, we have the FUV instrument, the far ultraviolet. The FUV instrument during the daytime is measuring ODA2, the composition of neutrals, whereas the EUV instrument is measuring profiles of O+, so that the ionospheric structure. Now we focus on the EUV instrument here, and the low-level output looks like this, as an image of the detector, where our vertical dimension here is indeed the spatial vertical, but the horizontal dimension is resolving wavelength. So you can see all of these different emission features as we move horizontally across the image. Now to measure the O+ profiles, Icon's really only using two of these. It's using this bright 834 line that's on the right, and it's using this slightly bright 616 line on the left. But there's all of these other ones just hanging out, not being used. So what I've done is I've gone and looked at all of them and how they evolve over time. And there's this really interesting one on the right that we call the 878 bin. And our initial looks at it seemed to indicate it was picking up some nitrogen. So a nitrogen line, hold on, the FUV instrument is measuring nitrogen during the day. So we figured, well, what if we try and measure that using the EUV instrument? So we go and derive this relation between different wavelengths on the EUV detector and compare them to the FUV detector. And we have our results down here. You can see that it turned out quite strong. So that's just kind of a high-level overview. If you'd like to learn more, please come see me on Thursday at the CEDAR poster session. So thank you.